welcome to my video filming room. Today I will be taking you behind the scenes and show you how we actually create our videos. So I'll show you around the room first and then we'll talk about the equipments and what we are using, and finally I'll show you a demo video and how we are creating it in a stepwise process. So whether you're an influencer looking for some ideas on equipment or what to do, what not to do, or if you're just wondering how it all happens, well, just keep watching this video guys to find out. So guys, this wall you might have seen in my Smile with Prachi videos, and a lot of my beauty videos also I use this wall a lot. So this wallpaper, when we started putting up, we had no idea. We ran out of the wallpaper, and that is why we haven't finished doing the entire wall. It has been put very badly, but it does the job, so why not? And here are some props. Oops. Here are some props, cushions that you might have seen in the videos. And if you move to this side, there's some more props, and here is where I keep a lot of my beauty products handy. So you know, when I have to touch up, when I have to like redo my eyeliner, my lipstick or whatever, it's just handy when I keep it right here. And right across that wall is this wall, which again I use mostly for my beauty videos, like you might have seen in a lot of my videos before. So once again, wallpaper and lots of props, lots of cushions, lots of lights, because lights are awesome. I love these twinkling fairy lights. And yeah, so these are the backgrounds, and this is a basic setup. And this is my camera. Let me tell you a little bit about the camera now. So guys, this is the camera Nikon Z50. I've talked about this camera in great detail in one of my recent videos. I'll put the link for that video in the description box below. I personally think that this is a camera which has been literally designed for bloggers, because it's so compact and handy. You can literally carry it around. You can keep it around when you're moving and shooting. It's very, very handy and very compact. And otherwise also, in fact, let me just tell you guys this, okay, because I love cameras. I just want to tell you this, that I know a lot of people want to buy DSLRs, right? If you're traveling, you want to take nice pictures on your holidays and all of that, this is a very good camera because it's lightweight. So no matter what, just keep these 3 rules handy, okay? Whenever you buy your cameras, make sure it's lightweight, because DSLR cameras can be like really heavy sometimes, and you know, if it's too heavy, it's not fun shooting after a while. Your hands start to ache. So a light camera with a front open flip screen, so that you can actually see and check yourself. You not always have a photographer taking pictures for you. So you can be in front of the camera and still see what's going on. That's very important. And most importantly, touchscreen. Because I'll tell you what happens, okay? DSLR cameras have a lot of features, and to find the buttons and to see where to navigate and where to find what option can be so draining, you know. So get a touchscreen camera because it'll make things very easy to use. You not really have to go out of your way to learn how to use a camera. So let me show you a little demonstration of how I film my videos, okay? So I've just set my camera to autofocus mode, and as you can see, I can totally track my face. The camera can totally track my face. It's very intelligent. And here I am sitting in front of the camera and applying my foundation. Now when I need to check the camera screen, I'll just blink for a second and look at the screen that's flipped right underneath the camera, so that doesn't really break the connection, and then I continue. Also, as you can see, the system is very intelligent. It can keep track of these close-up shots. And talking about close-up shots, I'm also applying my Kajal and also applying lipstick, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You get the point, right? This is basically how I film my videos. So it's very, very important for me that, you know, when I'm working, when I'm doing these videos, the camera is intelligent, guys. It's very important. So this is the first DX mirrorless camera with 4K recording. It has a wide Z mount, which means more light in the camera. So sharper, better colors, better contrast, and better low light performance too. Sometimes I use this FTZ mount when I want to use varied lens options. Right now, whatever I'm showing you guys is with the kit lens, okay? Apart from that, this is a camera which also has tons of filters and picture controls for creative shoots, like selective color, slow motion. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so I can actually transfer the files using the Wi-Fi option and do so many things because it has Wi-Fi. It's also a camera which has USB charging option, but I recommend that if you're an influencer, you also keep an additional battery. So this is the EN-EL25 additional battery, because personally I see that when I'm filming my videos, it's very easy to lose track of things. So for all the influencers watching this video, I would recommend that if you get this camera or whichever camera you're using, always keep an additional battery. Now moving to tripods, actually before moving to tripods, let me quickly show you this whole set of vlogging kit. I think for new influencers, for anybody looking to just start out, this can be such a great kit, okay? So this kit includes the Nikon Z50 camera, obviously. You also get the EN-EL25 additional battery, which I just showed you, a small rig which actually helps in holding up a lot of other accessories when you want to use it, a Saramonic V mic mini, a GorillaPod SLR zoom and ball head bundle, the Amaran AL-M9 pocket size daylight balanced LED light, which again I'll talk about in just a little bit, because I really want to talk about all the lights I'm using here. and how important lights are. So before that, let's move to tripods, where we were just talking about tripods, and let me show you what tripods I have. So I have two tripods. The first one, which I just showed you, that is the GorillaPod SLR zoom and ball head bundle, which I mostly use when I'm shooting outdoors and when I need something handy. And do you see this tripod, guys? This tripod actually moves in all kinds of directions, so you can actually do a lot of things with it. And most importantly, the best thing about this tripod is that you can actually put it in all kinds of different surfaces, because it can really hold and it can stand well. So I love this tripod for that reason. However, I have one more tripod, and this one is one that has a 90-degree tilt option. So this is great when I'm showing my DIY products up close. Like in this case, I'm just squeezing the foundation at the back of my hand. So yeah, that's a little short. This is how we take the close-up shots, by tilting the camera and taking the shots on my hands like that. Now lights are very, very important. First, we have two softbox lights. I only use them as and when needed. They are nice but super bulky. There's also a LED light, which again I only use as and when required, not always. The ring light is something which you might have seen a lot of beauty bloggers use. And then we also have the Amarin ALM9 pocket size daylight balanced LED light, which is super handy, and again from the vloggers kit, like I just mentioned. You can carry this around or use it on a stand like this, and it can go to various levels of brightness so easily. Now lights are very important for your picture quality, especially if you're a beauty blogger, because it's important to keep the lights soft and mildly warm. So you can see the actual color of the skin, actual color of the cosmetics, the products that we are shooting, and yeah, that makes a huge difference. For the sound, we have the Saramonic V Mic Mini, again from the vloggers kit that I just mentioned, and you can plug it into the camera and mount it on top of the camera like this. Super handy and easy to use once again, and let me show this to you. Hey guys, so this is my voice without the mic. And this is my voice with the mic. Do you see the difference? It's far more crisp when I'm actually using the mic. It's sharp, it's more targeted towards my voice, and less of the background sounds. Do you feel that? So obviously I use this when recording my narrations like this. Hey guys, so today we'll be shooting a demo video of how to do this makeup look. First, we'll take a little bit of foundation, dabbing this all over my face, and then of course, for editing we use a combination of Adobe, Power Director, Filmora, whatever works for you. Let me show you Filmora. It's super easy because of the awesome slides, transitions, and the effects that work on most of the days. And now let's look at the video that we just created. Hey guys, so today we'll be shooting a demo video of doing my makeup. So for this, first we'll take some foundation. This is how the foundation looks. So dabbing it all in and then moving to the Kajal. So this is the Kajal I'm wearing. Very easy to apply, and then of course moving to the lipstick. So applying a lot of this lipstick on my lips, and that's it. That is my makeup done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.